Hi, everyone. With Bitcoin pumping and a new bull run being here, I thought it would be a great time to talk about some of the most recent research I've been working on in the field of tokenomics. And I think there are many, many people out there, especially founders in the Web3 space, that are going to find this very, very useful. So in the last year or so, I've been working on creating an improved valuation model for tokens. And here's the paper I'm working on. I'm planning to publish this month, March 2024. And this is a data-driven version of the equation of exchange. So for those of you who are not aware of the equation of exchange, it's a very popular, albeit imperfect model for valuation of crypto assets. And I did some work with University College London in order to get some real data and trying to understand the situations under which the equation of exchange performs well versus those that it doesn't. And I came up with a very simple log regression model, which can be used in lieu of the current version of the equation of exchange, as well as some very good default settings for the holding time, right? So we studied different projects in the crypto space, and we discovered that the holding time usually looks like a log normal distribution. And for most applications, this can be a very good set of defaults. For those of you who hear this for the first time, it's usually one of the most difficult parameters to set when you are simulating price action for pre-launch projects, right? So let's say you want to create a new startup in the Web3 space, you need to understand whether the supply makes sense, emissions, the assumptions you have around transactions, the user base, etc. So the equation of exchange is one of the models that we can use to do that. And the holding time, or otherwise the velocity, which is kind of an inverse of the holding time, is usually the most difficult parameter to set. So in this paper, I provide a very good set of defaults for the holding time, while also giving an alternative model for the equation of exchange, which seems to work quite well as soon as the transaction volume picks up a bit. So anyway, that's a paper which now stands at 15 pages, including the references. I just wanted to make the community aware of this. I'll be sharing more this month, so just stay tuned. And in the meantime, if you need any help with tokenomics, with simulating token economies, with auditing your tokenomics, feel free to reach out to me. And actually, I'd also be happy to share a copy of this paper pre-publication. So thank you, and hope to hear from you soon.